This is Panama City after Hurricane Michael in February 2019. Now this is the end that's more towards Mexico Beach. The other end doesn't look too bad. It just looks like somebody's invested a lot of money in tarps. But you can see this bank over here. Apparently one side of it was ripped off. And there's a Sunbelt something there that's just trashed. A big metal building, big barn metal building. But there's a lot of tree damage. Even where they've cleaned up the trees, it's you can see the trees don't look right. That First Federal Bank right there on 23rd and Stanford looks like it ripped off the whole one side of it. Amazing. It looks really a little bit creepy down this way as compared to the other side of Panama. The people that drive in these cars running these telephones while they're trying to drive is ridiculous. There wouldn't be a traffic jam if I all stayed off the phone. Wow, Chick-fil-A had their sign all ripped to hell, and I guess it tore the whole building down. They had to rebuild it. You see a couple houses that have been rebuilt. Wow, Pet Boys got nailed. Pet Boys is actually closed. Well, they tore that up. Even their auto repair department's all boarded up. But it takes time. People be filing claims and stuff to try to get money from the government to recoup, and it takes time to get that. Sometimes it takes a year. I'm headed east in Panama on 23rd Street, which is kind of a main drag, towards like Windhaven and stuff like that. And you'll see bits and pieces of things that they're rebuilding or working on. You'll see a lot of blue tarps. Somebody's making out like a beacon. You see windows that are boarded up so that they can still operate their businesses. A lot of gas stations with the components ripped off the top, like that one there on the right. But he's open for business. Oh, the old Mexican restaurant got trashed. Wow, and it's up for sale. That old Crystal's, boy. I think that was Crystal's next door, and they put it in a brand new building. That building's messed up. I hate that Mexican restaurant at Jenks in 23rd. It was all boarded up and messed up. Look at that guy's poor gas sign. Like it got ripped off and he had to spray paint on it. Got it pretty good over on this side of Panama. The other side looks pretty darn good. It just looks like some tarps and stuff. But messy. This is Coronado Village. It didn't look too terrible. Funny how the graveyards exist. Look at this building got messed up. Summit Bank. Ripped the roof off of that. So they're slowly rebuilding. But you can tell that it was hit once upon a time.